Water-based applications in soil and water science, course, tools, and content. This is a good example for the application of GIS software. The slide presents the mapping of the drainage basin by using ArcGIS for mapping the drainage basin. Here we see 11 region basin, and in the legend we see the number of accumulative rains. By this number we can calculate the amount of rain which is collected in each basin. Why we must study this course? The course give you the chance to acquire some skills, professional skills, correct interpret soil and water data analysis, calculate the evapotranspiration, crop water requirement, and design the schedule water irrigation. General skills, acquire more advanced and better skills of running and application of some software, enhance and enrich scientific English. This is the tools of our course. Two groups. First group is the application of sheet Excel in soil and water science. Second group is applied software in soil and water science. For the first group, Excel application in soil and water science, calculation of weighted EC for each profile, calculation of weighted EC for each area, soil salinity comparison, calculation of ESP and SAR soil, calculation of readily available water, RAW. Second group of tools, some software which will be applied in soil and water. First subgroup, software related to water. ET node calculator kilowatt for calculation of evapotranspiration, crop watt for the calculation of water requirement and the design irrigation schedule. Aqua crop calculating of crop yield under application of different water requirement. Two options, application of optimum water crop requirement or application of deficit crop requirement. Second tools is a group of software relating to geographic information system GIS and remote sensing software such as ENVI for remote sensing, ArcView and ArcGIS for remote sensing and GIS, IRDAS for remote sensing and GIS, MacroList for soil evaluation, software for statics application, statics and SAS. Course content: calculation of weighted salinity of soil profile, calculation of weighted EC of soil profile, calculation of weighted salinity of an area, calculation of weighted EC of an area, salinity comparison of two areas, calculation of SAR and soil ESP, installation and run of reference evapotranspiration calculator software version 3.2. Rainfall and rainfall data processing as requirements for calculation by crop watt software of crop water requirement and irrigation schedule. Calculation of readily available water RAW as requirement for calculation of crop water requirements and design of irrigation schedule. Install, run kilowatt software and exportation kilowatt data 2. Crop what are the requirement for calculation of crop water requirement. Install and run crop what software for determination of crop water requirement. Apply statistics and GIS to studies of water rainfall. Surface hydrology, GIS harvest. Thank you.